Wow, hey, Jesse, get over here. Take a look at this. This is the 2025 Dynamax Isata 30FW. What an amazing vehicle. Take a look inside this cab. It is so comfortable. You got leather seats. You got all your components, everything you need right here. Four-wheel drive on a big motorhome. Oh my God. You have an integrated brake controller. Did you know that this has lane keep assist, and it has the adaptive cruise control, and it has emergency braking? All those great features that you're gonna expect out of a wonderful new car, you're gonna get in this big Dodge Ram 5500 series chassis. This thing has a GVWR of 19.5, can tow 10,000 pounds, and is light on its feet, has 360 horsepower, 800 pound-feet of torque for your towing. If you're towing a big motorcycle trailer, or you got cars, you have tools, you have dirt bikes, whatever it may be, you can tow it with this. Now take a look at this fabulous paint job. It looks from a distance like it's all one color, but when you get up close, you can see there's some subtle color changes and making for a real spectacular viewing, of this camper. It's just marvelous. And look at this beautiful sidewall, the high gloss here, and it has this self-retracting awning, so if it does get a big shake, this thing is gonna activate itself and pull itself back in. And look at these cargo doors. They're all aircraft grade aluminum, comes with these lithium batteries. Can you believe all that power running your house? Extra insulation where you need it. Astrofoil in there to keep all your cargo from freezing. And look at this beautiful storage compartment. And it has storage over the top too, so you can slide in tables and chairs up in there. Absolutely on-demand Truma hot water heater, which is really handy. Hey Jesse, I'm glad we came up around this side, because look at this. You have a heated, insulated water station, outdoor shower, black tank flush, low point drains, everything you need, right, easy access. And look at, you have your own light controls there as well. Now, if you come over to the next compartment, take a look at this massive 8,000 watt Onan generator. And that's going to be running off your fuel system. It's a diesel, which is fantastic. Take a look at this compartment. You have a 3,000 watt hybrid inverter, and that's going to get you all the power you need, where you need it, and when you need it. Now, Jesse, we're going to go inside the Isata 5 30FW. Hey Jesse, come on inside this Isata 530FW. Look at, as you move over to the right here, you're gonna see that you have this big queen bed. It's a 60 by 80, so you can fit 2 adults on that. Has a huge TV that can be pivoted out. Has a little pocket so you can put the stuff that's in your pockets or your cell phone or whatever it is, and you have 110 and USB plugs everywhere, so you have it up on the bunk, you have it down right next to you, Jesse, and it holds a rail over here too, so if you have young kids over here, you don't have to worry about them falling out. You just set up the rail and they're good to go. Over here you have the auto leveling, so that's a hydraulic leveling system, and that's going to make it nice and easy and level. And then you can see that your battery's charged at 99.9%, so that's pretty well charged. You should be good to go today. And look at all this lovely indirect lighting. You got lighting underneath the cabinets, you have the lighting around the counters, you have, all the LED lighting here, and these beautiful massaging,
Soft touch ceiling air squad.
Oh, and soft touch ceiling, yeah. And then we have this beautiful massaging, reclining, lit little tabletop over here, so you can work your laptop while you're hanging out, chilling out. But what a beautiful place to rest and relax after a big day of hanging out. Now, if you want to come over here, you have a complete multiplex control system. So not only can you control your hot water heater right here, but you can go through all the different stations, all your electrical and your lighting and your temperature controls, your slide controls, and also other mechanicals as well. But with this big residential refrigerator, you have an ice maker. You can bring every bit of food that you need to bring with you for you and your family and all your buddies when you're going dirt bike riding or whatever it may be. Huge pantry with the pull-out drawers, and look at that. It's like burled maple. It's high quality stuff here. Fantastic. This makes another bed. And then as you're back in the bedroom, this has the most unique bathroom that I've ever seen, where you can actually, it's longer and you still have room to sit here without banging your knees against the wall. But look how big this shower is back here. It's a square shower, and Uncle Bernie's in here no problem whatsoever. Great maneuverability. Thanks for the light show there, buddy. Yeah, nice sink area with the vanity and lots of storage is there as well. Oh, look at that. Towel racks built right in. That's magnificent. Yeah, and as you come back here, you have another queen bed, another 60 by 80 queen, and then you've got this massive wardrobe. Take a look at that. It's cedar lined. In all the hidden hinges, this is all nice residential quality. It's adjustable hinges here. So you're gonna have in motion sensor lighting right inside that storage compartment, as well as your TV right here too. Now, if you look up, a lot of people like to travel with Wi-Fi. They're doing work while they're playing, and it has a built-in Wi-Fi booster that you can bring in 5G LTE right into the camper. Folks, you are gonna love this Dynamax. It's gorgeous inside and out, has all the functionality, towing capacity, and weight capacity for you, your family, and everything you need to bring along with you. Come to Campers Inn RV, Merrimack, New Hampshire. You're gonna get the best deal ever on the Dynamax Isata 5 30FW.